Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Cake.Bird here with part 2 of the 2-part Cricut series. Today we're going to be print and cutting stickers.
Hello?
I am so excited to make this tutorial for you guys.
Hello?
Right now I'm setting the ambiance by lighting my favorite candle.
Hello?
It smells so delicious and definitely keeps me motivated while I'm doing my Cricut projects.
Hello?
I've powered on my Cricut and opened Design Space. In part 1, we created a sticker sheet and individual stickers. I'm going to pull that up right now. As I open the sticker sheet, I'm just going to make sure that the square sticker sheet that I flattened, I'm going to now unflatten and just group them to make sure that they're printed on the same sheet. Sometimes I flatten them just to keep them in order while copy and pasting my individual stickers. If everything goes correctly, you'll see your individual stickers alongside your sticker sheet. Make sure to go into your settings and apply a 8 by 11 paper size, unless you're using a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I don't have those. I just use the vinyl, so I'm going to make sure that that setting's on. I'm not going to be mirroring it because this isn't a transfer, but we may be able to use those later in another video. And I just check over my images to make sure that everything is right. From here, I'm going to click Make Project. I'm going to print out a test sheet and turn on bleed because I have the outline borders on each sticker. Now we're going to print out the image. First, I'm going to do a test sheet just to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. I pull out my printable vinyl. I'm using the CRICUT brand. I encountered a little paper jam while feeding my first printable vinyl sheet through my printer. As I print out my test sheet, I see everything is great. It's okay, I just got a little bit of ink on my fingers, but it wasn't a big deal. I tried to wash it off, but some of it still stained. I'm pulling out my printable vinyl sheet. I'm using the CRICUT brand. This one seems to be the best. And when you go to actually cut the sticker sheet out, CRICUT already has a setting within the CRICUT Maker, which makes things so much easier. You just hit a button and it knows what to do. It doesn't cut through the paper. It only does a kiss cut, which cuts through the very top layer of the sticker, so you can use the whole sheet as one piece. The vinyl is actually really sturdy and does a great job of keeping the ink on the page. I haven't found that this transfers too much. If it gets really soggy, sometimes they fall apart, but for the most part, these are really strong images and are great for stickers. I love the quality of the sticker sheet. It looks so beautiful. The colors are very vibrant. That's why I always print a test sheet just in case there's something wrong with the colors and I can go in and fix them. Now I'm going to take my newly printed vinyl sheet and I'm going to attach it to my mat. I'm going to make sure it looks exactly like the picture on my screen. If it doesn't, your Cricut's going to cut in the wrong places. I feed it into the machine, it does a little bit of scanning, and it cuts away. Here's a clip of the noise I'm listening to while this thing is cutting. This is definitely not a quiet machine. If you have small children that you want sleeping, make sure this is in a separate room. If you yourself are annoyed, make sure you have some noise canceling headphones because it can be really loud and really annoying if you're doing tons of sticker sheets. I entertained myself by playing the game Among Us. Have you guys ever played this game? I'm absolutely addicted. It's so awesome. It's super fun. Alright guys, I'm just going to put on some really nice lo-fi music and you can sit back and relax and watch my little Cricut machine cut out my stickers. I was also playing the game Among Us, so you can watch me play that. It's pretty fun if you haven't played it yet. I would definitely recommend it. Here I'm using the folding technique to get my sticker sheet off the mat. This prevents any curling. And then I just use my little cutter to cut the sticker sheet out. The Cricut already did a cut around the edges, but I didn't press a full cut. Instead it did a kiss cut, so it didn't cut all the way through the paper. The stickers that come out of the Cricut once it's finished are so high quality. These are absolutely gorgeous. They may be just my little flower doodles, but they look amazing. Here I am sticking my stickers to this mug. It was a gift given to me a long time ago. It's pretty funny. It says I'm kind of a big deal on the front. But these vinyl stickers look absolutely amazing. The finish on them does not make the mug look weird. It doesn't look like there's just stickers stuck to it. It looks very cohesive. They also look great on paper. They're not very glossy, so they don't have that shiny look to them. It just blends right in, and it's perfect for notebooks or bullet journaling, anything that you can imagine you could put in your journal this way. Thank you for watching another one of my tutorial videos. I cannot wait to make another one of these for you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Let me know what kind of videos that you'd like to see. Look forward to my next video. I can only tell you one thing, that it's going to involve something I like to call forbidden sprinkles. It's going to be super cute. I can't wait to do it. It's going to be a fun little Halloween craft or even as a gift. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.